Hey guys, Natalie here with The Fifth Journey. I'm doing things a little bit differently today. I'm going to be doing my holiday mint soap, which I absolutely love. This is a remake from what I have done in the past. It's a peekaboo design, so I'm going to be pouring the base along with an e-brew combing tool design on top, and then placing some, you can see them in the top corner, some stencils that I had previously done. Now I did do a little bit of a goof here. I thought that I would use all those little bitty leftover bits and put them in the base to do the Ciaglia method, which is fine, but which you'll see here after a bit. I did go ahead and pour that batter into my squeeze bottles and it stopped up the little tubes. So I couldn't pour, ended up having to take off those lids and pour them with kind of thicker lines, but it's totally fine. They will turn out amazing, and they did turn out amazing. But you can see those little specks in there. Now for the fragrance, this is a holiday mint and it smells really, really good. It's a festive blend. It has peppermint, buttercream, sugar, vanilla, and a hint of winter woods. It smells so good. Now on the little stencils that I had previously done, I did pour those in these exact same molds. I just did a really thin layer, and I had put down some shimmering white mica on the bottom of it before I poured. Once those were set up, I went ahead and cut those shapes out, and it did take a bit of time. I did go ahead and put some weight on them to keep everything nice and flat, since it took me a while to do that. So here you're gonna see me get them all stopped up, but you know what, it's all right. So I'm gonna cover some festive music, so enjoy and take care.